Only by improving the storage space on the wall can the home become spacious in an instant. 10th place. This thing is called a mother and child buckle, and its use is very versatile. Commonly used items can be hung on the wall to save space and keep things organized. This way, everything from bottles to plants can be hung on the wall. 9th place. No wonder the spice bottles are not visible on other people's countertops. It turns out they use this wall-mounted spice rack, which has a large capacity and can store all sizes of spice bottles in the kitchen. 8th place. Our TV cabinet used to look messy before we got this storage box. The bottom layer can hold power strips and various plugs. The middle layer can hold set-top boxes and the like, and it won't affect the wiring. The top layer can hold the router, and the router antenna can be extended. 7th place. I finally found a tissue box that can hold various facial towels. The cloud-shaped design is very beautiful. Installation is also simple, and it can hold both tissue and roll paper. It can also be used as a cosmetics shelf. 6th place. For those who like to take a shower at home, this laundry basket can be hung in the bathroom. After taking a shower, you can easily take it to the washing machine. It's very convenient and doesn't take up space when not in use. 5th place. The bathroom trash can must be hung up so that the bottom of the can won't breed bacteria. And cleaning the bathroom is more convenient. Hang it on the cabinet door. And it's much more convenient to clean the countertop after cooking. 4th place. This soap would get wet easily when placed on the countertop, but this one is much better. The bottom can also drain water, so you don't have to worry about the countertop being messy anymore. 3rd place. A few of these cute mop and broom holders must be attached to the back of the bathroom door. Mops and brooms can be hung on the wall, keeping the bathroom clean and tidy and not taking up space. 2nd place. A good shower head holder is a must-have, and this cartoon-style design is easy to install, making it convenient for washing hair in the shower or cleaning the bathroom. Even washing clothes and scrubbing the bathtub can be done with both hands, making it very practical. 1st place. It's not easy to store pots after using them. Whether it's on the ground or in the cabinet, it's inconvenient to share. This small hook for pots that doesn't require drilling can be hung up, ventilated, and water-resistant. It can also be used in the kitchen for storing dustpans on the wall. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.